here with Jeremiah Zimmerman, the senior product owner of UC at Crestron. So we're going to talk about the new Crestron all-in-one Videobar 70, but let's get a quick rundown from Jeremiah.
So just to give a little bit of insight, this is the FlexBar 70, all-in-one device. It's a system on a chip running Android 10 at launch with the ability to go up to Android 13, running Zoom natively. So this has everything in it. Everyone likes the electronic shutter. So opens and closes when you're in a meeting. It's got a red and green light that when you're in a call, it's the mic state. So if it's green, it's live. It's red, it's dead. And then we've got all this I/O on the bottom of it, meaning that we've got content ingest. We've got the ability to add an HDMI camera because Zoom supports multi-stream. Zoom supports 3 displays, so do we. We've got your analog in and out for if you want to play your iPod or you want to do the mix out. We've got dual NIC. It becomes a courtesy port, and also the device needs to be on the network to pair to the incredible TS1070 that controls it. We've got USB I/O, so we can do, again, multi-stream if you want to do a camera or you want to do whiteboard. And then we've got BYOD support and an extension mic. So that's everything all in one. It's all right there.
So a couple things to interject. AirMedia, like a native AirMedia, not day one, right? But you can still do content ingest, and it supports up to 3 displays, so you can get creative, right?
You can, absolutely.
Embedding ecosystem messaging within at the level of the device and a room solution, right? But that means we can have a Zoom scheduling panel outside this room, right?
Absolutely, as we do, we're showing it right now at Infocom that is actually connected to this system, so we can see when it's reserved, when it's not, changes color. It's all part of the ecosystem.
Touchscreens, what it also does is the Crestron touchscreen with Videobar 7 is it does Zoom room control?
It does. So natively, day 2, day 3, what we'll be doing is you'll be able to do a CH5 program directly to the Crestron control system. It'll ingest into the Zoom app, and you'll have native room controls on it, so you can control the entire room.
But what I want to say is, traditionally we would call that page flip, yep, like in the Teams world. But it's like that you can do more with this than just control UC. You can do room controls, expanded switching, AV switching, maybe doing the lights, that kind of thing. So would we need a control processor for that? You would? Okay. But it's going to be built in, like the Zoom room controls capability within this system when you add it, right? So it's not like you have to do a ton of programming, no, right?
It's CH5, so it's HTML5, which makes it a lot easier, but that's it.
But I want to update and manage. Does this connect to cloud?
XIO. It's already in XIO support. So day 1 here at the show, we're showing off XIO right now. We've claimed the Videobar already into XIO, so you can see what it's showing. Healthy status of the displays, healthy status or unhealthy statuses of the peripherals. It's all there already. People counting. You're allowed to do people counting from here with the intelligent video cameras.
But I want to maybe do a little bit of room automation with maybe the lights eventually and the AV. Can I put an occupancy sensor?
Yes, we're going to have the ability to be able to tie the aux sensor directly to it so you can see the analytics that are already being reported off the XIO.
I think you said this, but multiple cameras, multiple microphones.
An extension mic at the moment, and then future will be the ability to use our Crestron hub and mic system in the future.
It supports up to 3 displays. Is there an example of where that might be cool?
In large rooms, in boardrooms, some people want to show content, some people want to show the far end, boardrooms. I mean, it's however the end user wants to slice and dice it.
Thank you very much, Jeremiah. I think it was excellent.